All right. Former Fulton County detention officer accused of taking bribes from inmates, including YSL defendant. Fulton County, Georgia. A former Fulton County detention officer is behind bars and facing numerous charges after investigators say she took $17,000 in bribes in exchange for delivering contraband, including pills, to inmates. On Monday, the Fulton County Sheriff's Office confirmed the October 4th arrest of Carmen Bailey, age 31. Bailey, who remained in jail Monday, is charged with 4 counts of violation of oath, 2 counts of bribery, and 2 counts of obtaining, procuring, giving inmates prohibited items without authorization. It doesn't appear that he has retained counsel according to court records. An arrest affidavit also accused Bailey of allowing investigators to search her phone, which revealed that she took bribes from the mother and sister of Marquavious Huey, one of the 6 defendants currently standing trial in the YSL RICO case against hip-hop superstar Young Thug. Yeah. An arrest affidavit also accused Bailey of allowing investigators to search her phone as a government employee, which I believe that they are in that jail. She is not allowed to show the contents of her phone without a warrant. This is something I heard from other places, so don't take my word for it. But according to the arrest affidavit, she wasn't supposed to show anybody. Authorities confirmed to Channel 2's Michael Seiden that they arrested Jeremiah Huey, age 18, and Melissa Huey, age 45. So yeah, that is Mr. Huey's sister and mother. On May 6, cell phone records show that Huey's mother paid Bailey $500 via Apple Pay, according to court records. Quote, "This would cause a reasonable person to believe it influenced her job performance because Miss Bailey failed to perform the official action of seizing contraband, e.g. substance appearing to be white pills, from inmate Huey," wrote an investigator in an arrest affidavit dated September 24th. The investigator added that Bailey escorted Huey and an unidentified inmate to a restricted area where they sold the drugs to other inmates, according to court records. On July 7th, investigators accused Huey's brother of paying Bailey $1,000. Then on July 13th, investigators alleged that surveillance video recorded showed Bailey escorting Huey and another unidentified delivered 2 packages. Court records did not reveal what contraband was in those 2 packages. Investigators also alleged that one of the packages was given to Marcus Foley, age 48. Foley, who has been in jail since June 2023, is awaiting trial on numerous charges, including murder and criminal street gang activity. In a statement to Channel 2's Michael Seiden, attorneys for Huey addressed the allegation against their client. Quote, "Unfortunately, it has become all too common that we hear about allegations of corruption, bribery, and violation of oath of office by the men and women responsible for housing and securing those individuals who are in custody within the Fulton County Jail," wrote Carton Matthews Sr. Yeah, Mr. Matthews is Mr. Huey's attorney. Mr. Matthews Sr. is the best beard in that courtroom. Older black man with gray hair and gray beard. He is there with Carton Matthews Jr., his son. They are having... they do practice law together. It's a family law firm. In literal family law. Wrote Carton Matthews Sr. and Carton R. Matthews Jr. Quote, "Our client, who has been in continuous custody since December 2021, is cloaked with a presumption of innocence as to all of these recent allegations, and we will litigate this case in the courtroom where all issues of proof will be zealously tested." The investigation, which began after officials said two unidentified inmates reported Bailey's alleged criminal actions, also revealed that she was working with the family and associates with at least 5 inmates, including Osama Manuel, who is currently awaiting trial on murder and gang charges, according to jail records. Authorities say Bailey used a meal tray to hide contraband in the food and then delivered the tray to Manuel's cell, according to surveillance video reviewed by the investigators. Investigators are calling this a quote-unquote ongoing investigation and would not confirm if any of the inmates' family members or associates would face charges. Officials confirmed that Bailey began her career in Fulton County SO in September 2023 before she submitted her resignation on August 27th. All right, that was what's going on. And Mr. Huey is one of the 6 defendants in this trial. And potentially screwed up because they are winning this trial. But if there is continuous crimes being committed in jail, that gives the prosecution and the judge reasons to keep this trial going. So if he actually committed this, bad choice. Really bad choice. Screwing up for the rest of them.